Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your Comcast or Xfinity landline with no dial tone. So here's a guide for wiring, modem reset, and service check. Fix 1. Check the phone connections. Make sure the phone cord is securely plugged into the tel port on your Xfinity modem. Check that the other end is connected firmly to your phone. If possible, try a different phone cord. Fix 2. Restart the Xfinity modem. Unplug the modem's power cable. Wait for 30 seconds. Plug it back in. Wait until the modem is fully online. Then check for a dial tone. Fix 3. Test with another phone. Disconnect your current phone. Connect a different corded phone to the modem's tel port. Check if you hear a dial tone. If the second phone works, the original phone may be faulty. Fix 4. Check for a service outage. Open the Xfinity app or sign into your Xfinity account. Check for any reported service outages in your area. Wait until the outage is resolved if one is reported. Fix 5. Check the modem lights. Look at the lights on your Xfinity modem. Make sure the online light is solid. If your modem has a tel 1 or voice light, it should also be solid. If these lights are off or blinking, restart the modem or contact Xfinity. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.